Okay, here it is. Tiger 1050. Here's the front. Handlebar. Switch for the heated grips, which works fine. We're going to do a cold start here in a minute. Just want to give a little overview. Here's the Keiko throttle lock, which works. Not cruise control, but it works. All the maintenance has been done. I've changed the fork oil several times. Actually, it's been resprung for my weight, which is around 220. Brake pads, I can't remember last time. I've got a spreadsheet I'll send you that has all the dates for all this stuff. So, no leaks whatsoever. I'll see if I can get underneath here. See if you can see anything under there. It's all dry. It's all dry. Thing has never leaked a drop of oil. Amazing. Brake fluid, that's one of the last things I've done is changing the brake fluid again. I try to do that every couple years. So, cases, factory cases. Here's the Delcovic. I'll take this case off. Look at that stock seat, no rips, tears. I'll take this off. You can see the Delcovic. Of course, factory racks. Tires are in good shape. This is probably half-life on this Road Smart 3. Can't remember how many miles, maybe 4,000 or so on that. So it'll probably go more than that. I used to run Pilots, and they used to wear out a lot faster. These Road Smarts are fantastic. This tire only has, I think, front tire only has a couple thousand miles on it, I think. They'll go, even the Pilots would go over 10. So yeah, long time to go there. These silicone brake hoses. Somebody I knew had a Tiger and they actually had a failure in a hose, probably because it's here with their stock rubber hose. So I changed these. These are much more durable, these silicone hoses, supposedly. Okay, here's your auxiliary outlet, your DIN for your vest. Heated vest is what I use it for. Let me take this one off. I'll show you the Wilburs. Cases work well, even one-handed, maybe. There we go. And off there. There's a Wilbur's fully adjustable shock, high and low speed compression. Been transformed the bike. That's just fantastic. Chain and sprocket are fairly new. I'll have to look it up on the spreadsheet. I'll send you the spreadsheet. You can look all this stuff up. But it's all ready to go. Nothing is questionable on this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a cold start. And of course I also have the original shock. I have the original exhaust. This Delcovic over here. Original pipe for the slip-on. And I've got the chin spoiler. As you know, the Triumphs have a chin spoiler. To me, that chin spoiler does not look good. So I took that off about first thing. Never looked back. However, I do have it. You can put it back on. It uses a little bit of oil, but it's basically nothing where I go on a 5,000 mile trip and I don't even check it during it uses very, very little. What else? Let's do the temperature. Okay, here's a close-up of the windshield. Not bad for 14 years. Mirrors are in good shape. Okay, let's do a cold start. Well, I'm going to show you what it is in here. 49 degrees. Now we're going to shoot the bike. See what it is. 48 degrees. Just to show you that we got a cold start situation here. We just got to turn it on. Hold all this while I'm doing this. Looking good. Still got high idle going. Don't take it a while. Do this real time. This is my cruise control bike. Right here, cruise control. One little thing. Had to get a whole new bike. Put it off for years. Because this bike is so good. Dealer told me you need to wait till 2 chiclets are on the temperature. We got 1 chicklet. Get 2 chiclets, and then we'll give it a little juice. Center stand, forgot to mention that. Of course you know that. Alright, we got 2 chiclets, so got the heated grips on. Oh, I love this bike. Replace the clutch cable. All right, sweet bike.